Action! Hi, welcome back to Regenerative Weekly.
Having self-sovereignty over money is just one step. We can apply that same principles to our energy, our food, our water, multiple different areas in our lives.
It's not just resilience on a level of like the impact that you have in your community and recognizing all that, but it's also resilience in the fact that you can be self-sovereign in the real world.
We're focused on building regenerative network days. We're offering peer-to-peer learning opportunities and experiences virtually every week.
We've got a year under our belts of activities, globally, events, all over the world.
The core of what V DAO is about is sharing the knowledge in an experiential peer-to-peer kind of way.
We've been doing in-person learning experiences like at DevCon. We had the Villa for a week where people were learning about regenerative autonomous properties.
If you create communities that are aligned, IRL, you also need that communication and you need that connection in the digital sense too. You need to share knowledge. You need to have a place that everybody can go.
The reason why V DAO is meeting up here at ETHDenver 2025 is to really start and accelerate our progressive decentralization journey. The time has come to find financial sustainability and really empower our community to engage and take the DAO in the direction that is going to give us the best chance of success.
Are here at ETHDenver signing people up for the V Pass. I think that's going to be really exciting.
They see that there's this education, there's this value that we're bringing to the table. We're supporting other local communities all around the world. Then they ask, okay, so what's next? And then that's when I talk to them about V Pass and what V Pass is all about.
It's a profile. You can collect badges, credentials for all your experiential learning and other engagement within the ecosystem of V DAO.
It combines generative living, tokenomics, building businesses, building communities.
We're in the V DAO house here at ETHDenver, and we have a two-part workshop going on led by Klaus.
What we'd say in Maori, we're going to do the mahi, we're going to do the work.
Who are we thinking about? What's the direction of governance? How do we pull it all together?
In order to do good governance, we need to know what we're governing. Let's start with the who.
It's a 2-day event that we did to kind of go into the ideas of what is V DAO? Who is it for? What's its purpose?
We felt that the best way to secure the foundation of the DAO was to bring in the community in, and the GovHack was our way of doing that.
I've never been a part of anything quite like it.
I don't know if everyone's in seeing that same fractal structure.
So we're going to take that to international community and start really expanding and exploring further some of the ideas that came out this week. And I'm so excited to see what the final iteration of V DAO is going to look like.
One of my favorite things about these kind of events is the sharing of ideas and debating and thinking about things and imagining possibilities.
These are the type of people that I want to spend time with, that I want to pursue a goal with.
The people that we have in our community are super high skilled, many crypto OGs that just believe in the vision and mission.
And I think that's what it's about. It's just about showing up.
There's a lot more to come.
V DAO!
V DAO!
Forever!